At Outward Bound, we love pushing people past their comfort level. But our students are always well taken care of. When in the wilderness, safety is our top priority. Here's a quick rundown of what your child can expect when on their expedition. Number 1, hygiene. No bathrooms means no showers. Sure, students will get dirty and smelly, but we have field-friendly ways for washing up. Number 2, water. Not only do we carry water, but we teach students how to find drinkable water in the wilderness. We purify it for drinking with iodine drops and boil any water used for cooking to ensure it's safe. H2O is a go. Number 3, food. We pack a mixed diet of fresh fruits and vegetables, dehydrated foods, and trail staples like granola, oatmeal, rice, beans, and PB&Js. When you complete the enrollment paperwork, tell us about your child's dietary restrictions, and we'll make sure they have what they need to stay nourished on course. Once in the wild, we'll cook meals on gas camp stoves while learning backcountry cooking techniques. We rarely build fires as part of our commitment to leave no trace ethics. Number 4, sleep. Our expeditions are a bit different from camping. Yes, students will be sleeping under the stars, but they will also be sleeping under tarps or tents that we've taught them how to build. We found it's a great way to travel light, experience nature, and wake up to the rising sun. Okay, that covers the main topics. If you have any other questions, let us know. We're here to help. Our goal is to make sure our students are well prepared so that nothing stands in their way as they take on our character building courses.